Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not set up Apple Pay and error occurred while setting up an Apple Pay. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add payment method or set up your Apple Pay but you're having the issue that you cannot set up your Apple Pay and error occurred, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So there are two possible options. The first is that you may have a weak network connection, so you get this problem. Or the second is that there's any issue or any glitch with your software or your iPhone. So now to fix that, very first you have to double check your network connection that you're connected to a strongest and stable network connection, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a refresh with your network settings. Then go for settings app from here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. And after that, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, hotspot, and also your Bluetooth. So if you have any network issue, it will be fixed in this step. Or after that, you have to retry. If you still have the same issue, so it might be that the issue with your iPhone. So you have to open your settings app again, go for general again, go for software update, and you have to update your software. Once you updated your software, go back. Now you have to make a force restart your iPhone to fix temporary glitches in your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press the volume up and volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press the volume up and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. Once you find the Apple logo, release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to retry to set up your Apple Pay, and this time you will not get any issue again. Your Apple Pay will be successfully set it up. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.